I think Nexus and VDA becomes a super important tool for CPA firms. And the critical factors that I like to think of when I'm doing a voluntary disclosure, after I understand the full Nexus footprint, is to really make sure that I get the anonymity agreement in place. It is so critical for you to reach out to the governments on the voluntary disclosure basis and ensure that your taxpayer is anonymous until you get the agreement you want. I can't tell you how many times I've seen firms when I was an auditor, they come forward and they tell the name of the taxpayer prior to the agreement being in place, and there's a lot of factors that could disqualify them from that agreement, including a prior contact from the government. So for me, the most important factor is anonymity. Secondarily, I think the factors come into know the answer before you talk to the government. Do a thorough audit of the look-back period, whether it's 3 years or 4 years. Have good faith estimates on all the periods so you understand precisely what the picture is for the tax exposure, the penalty, and the interest reductions. And make sure you negotiate those well in advance of actually informing your client what you're going to do. Finally, the last piece of the puzzle is when you submit the letter agreement to the governments, you stay on top of the communication so that it doesn't slip by the wayside. Some of these can take 2 to 12 months just because of government bureaucracy. So it's important for the CPA firm to stay on top of that and keep that train moving forward.